How to chat with a friend on Roblox. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to chat with your friends on Roblox. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So if you have been trying to contact your Roblox friend but unable to do so, just follow these simple steps and watch the video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and simply search for roblox.com. And once you head over to Roblox, make sure to just log into your account. Now from here, you just want to head over to the home page. And right on your home page, right at the bottom, you will see the chat option. So just click on it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the chat settings from your privacy settings. So just head over there first. And then from here, you just want to head over to the communication tab and then click on experience chat. Now from here on the direct chat, make sure that you set this to everyone. And once you do that, it will be saved successfully. Now you should be able to start communicating on your Roblox. Now from here, you can just select a friend that you want to chat with. So just click on the name and then just chat with them on your DMs. So just type in the message like this and they will get your chat. And if they're active, they can reply you back as well. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.